How to download apps in your laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can download and install any application in your PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. From your search bar, type in App Store. Type in Microsoft Store. Then you'll see a page like this. From the top search bar that says Search Apps, Games, Movies and More, click onto it and search for any application that you would like to download. And just like so, you will see an Install button or Get button from here. All you have to do is click on to Get. So this application is being downloaded in your device. As you finish downloading this app, click on to Open. And just like so, this is how you can download an application in your PC. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.